Welcome to my channel Improve English with Hina Memon. Let's learn kitchen vocabulary. Chopping board, chopping board. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Apron, apron. Cooking pot, cooking pot. Spatula, spatula. Strainer, strainer. Kettle, kettle. Frying pan, frying pan. Colander, colander. Lid, lid. Knife, knife. Fork, fork. Vegetable peeler, vegetable peeler. Plate, plate. Bowl, bowl. Cake slicer, cake slicer. Ladle, ladle. Potato masher, potato masher. Whisk, whisk. Tongs, tongs. Cutlery, cutlery. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Cleaver, cleaver. Cup, cup. Jug, jug. Glass, glass. Saucepan, saucepan. Salt cellar, salt cellar. Pestle, pestle. Funnel, funnel. Measuring spoons, measuring spoons. Tablespoon, tablespoon. Soup spoon, soup spoon. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. Saucer, saucer. Perforated spoon, perforated spoon. Bottle opener, bottle opener. Can opener, can opener. Microwave, microwave. Toaster, toaster. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Electric cooker, electric cooker. Deep fryer, deep fryer. Blender, blender. Food processor, food processor. Mixer, mixer. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Grater, grater. baking tray, baking tray, dish rack, dish rack, dining table, dining table, fridge, fridge, fruit juicer, fruit juicer, egg slicer, egg slicer, lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer, measuring jug, measuring jug, butter dish, butter dish, gas stove, gas stove, matches, matches, kitchen lighter, kitchen lighter, fireplace, fireplace, kitchen pepper, kitchen pepper, kitchen towel, kitchen towel, food storage, food storage, butter knife, butter knife, sponge, sponge, bottle, bottle, eggs, eggs, milk, milk, sugar, sugar, table mat, table mat, dishwasher, dishwasher, sink, sink, kitchen cabinet, kitchen cabinet, chimney, chimney. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.